Nothing is real in this video except for me talking to you in this video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your video background from this to this to this and this. And why do you want to change your video background? Probably because you don't have enough money to buy some expensive gear for your background setup and whatever. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a professional YouTube video just like this you are seeing on your screen. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 steps in which you are going to be creating your video. So the first step is you want to record yourself and speak to your camera directly, fluently, and just make sure everything in your video look very original, apart from other things you are going to be adding as background. And then you also want to record your video in a very clean and clear background. Ordinarily, this is how my background looks like. You see? I can actually use this to create a professional video. So you want to make sure that your background setting is very, very clean so that you will not have any issue in your post-production. Another thing you should also take note of is use a tripod to film your content. Don't hold a phone on your face and just assume that you want to create content with your phone and then everywhere is shaking, like something like this. So when your content is shaking, there is 100% assurance that in your post-production, your content is not going to be okay. Like you won't like whatever you are creating. Last one in this first stage is control your body movement. If you notice, since my hand has only been moving up and down here and not shaking, so control your body movement. If you are someone who likes to gesticulate when you talk, try as much as possible to control how you talk to your camera. And then lastly, for this first step, make sure you shoot your content in a portrait. When you shoot your content in portrait, you can easily change your background. And step 2 is to come to any editing software of your choice. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using Capcut. So you come to Capcut, you create a project and you import those video you created. So this is the video, and what I'm going to do is I am going to drag this video to my timeline and scroll down to an actual place where I want to take a screenshot. So you can do this on your phone if you are using phone, and if you are using a laptop, you can also follow this process. Then you come to this side, then you export a still frame, then you click on export. And the next thing you want to do is come to Adobe Firefly. This particular website is in the description. So when you get to this website, you can navigate around, and as you can see, there are a lot of features here that you can actually try out. There is generate speech, there is image to video, there is border, there is creative production, there is a whole lot of pause. If you are enjoying the value shared in this video and you have been looking for a way to start YouTube automation, or you don't really know or understand what YouTube automation is all about, well, I have prepared a class that can actually guide you on what is YouTube automation, how to research on niche, how to know what niche to get onto, also how you can create your own trending niche, and how to monetize your YouTube channel within 2 weeks. Well, I have prepared a masterclass for you that can actually help you understand everything about YouTube automation. You want to check this class out using the link in the description, because this is your final bus stop. Let's continue with the video. I think you can actually use this particular website to do. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to stick with generative fill. So you click on that and it's going to take us to the next page. And this is the page it takes us to. So you click on upload image, or you click and drag your image, then you locate the image we screenshotted the other time, which is this one. You double click on it and upload it on Firefly Adobe. And voila, this has actually opened. This is the picture we screenshotted from our Capcut. So if you look here, you see there is insert, there is remove, and there is expand. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to stick with expand. So you click on expand, and then you click on the ratio at which you want to create your video. So let's say you want to create your video for a YouTube content you click on 16 by 9, then you paste this prompt. The prompt is going to be available in the description. So do well to check the description to get this prompt. So all you have to do is just click on generate, and so it has generated 3 options for us. This is option 1, option 2, and option 3. So you can decide to go with any option of your choice. So let's say, for example, I am going with this because I think I like this design. Yeah, I'm going with this. You can also decide to go with any one of your choice. So let's say, for example, I'm going with this. I'm going to click on keep, and it has extended the picture. So the next thing I want to do is I will click on download to download this particular image, and that has downloaded for us. So the next thing you want to do is come back to your Capcut and import the same image you downloaded the other time, which is this. You double click and open, and then you click and drag as the main picture for your video. Then you change your ratio to 16 by 9, which is for YouTube. Then you can now adjust the size of this video. And then the next thing you want to do is you overlay this particular video, the actual video, you overlay that, and then you now carefully adjust your image or your video to fit with, you carefully adjust your video to fit with the picture that we downloaded from Firefly. So you carefully adjust and edit that. You see, this is aligning. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to check it out if it is aligning. So if it is not really aligning, what you want to do is just crop in this image. And how do you do that? You can come here to crop. So the reason why it's not aligning is because the background is not really smooth. So whenever you want to create your video, try as much as possible that your background, to make your background really smooth. So I think it should be blend now. Yeah, it has blended now. So if you see this now, this is what we have. Though there is still a line here, but you can keep adjusting that side by side. Yeah, you can keep adjusting, you can keep cropping that in. Just make sure you don't cut out anything from the main video. So click on confirm, and it has successfully blended. And this is what we have. You see that? Let's say this is where the video started from. So this is what we have. And then if you want to enlarge, or maybe you want to increase the size, just come here and you increase the size of the video. So the video is going to look more like this. And in that way, you are done. The first step is, in that way, you are done creating something like this. You want to record. The first step is you want to record yourself. Don't mind me. Just like this. You want to record yourself. You see that? So this is how you change your video background using Adobe Firefly. If you learned value in this video, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this page, because I have a lot of information that is going to help you create content better, even taking it to the next level using AI. And on that note, I'm going to see you in my next video.